Welcome back. Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission is with us this morning. She has another great October recipe for us, and today we're making apple cinnamon scones. Good morning, Charlene.
Good morning. And who doesn't like scones?
Oh, I mean, so delicious.
They are, and
so
you
delicious.
can get them in so many different varieties. These, as you said, are an apple scone, so there's going to be apple in every bite, but it's a little bit, has a fun twist to it in that we have a double scone here that we're going to make a layer.
Oh,
so
fantastic.
I've made these ahead of time.
Okay.
And they have margarine, which was another soy ingredient. It has soy sour cream in there, so it's got deliciousness in every bite. Mix that all together. And then it uses the soy flour blend too. If you can't find it in your grocery store, you can get it online.
Fantastic.
But we have the recipe that you put 7 cups of all-purpose flour for the TV station here and 1 cup of soy flour. Blend that together, put that in your flour canister, and then you can use it for all your baking.
Oh, fantastic.
And you get a little bit of soy protein then every time you're baking.
That's great.
So we made that, and then what I'm going to do, this is a mixture of margarine and brown sugar and oatmeal, and we'll put that in there, and this is for our filling. So in every bite, you're going to, kind of like a streusel, you'll have that. I rolled that out to, or patted it either way, to about 7 inches. So you'll see that. And well, I divided the dough in half, and then 7 inches there, you'll see that we have. And then what we're going to do there is I'm going to go ahead and kind of score this. And you don't have to cut it all the way through, but then that'll give you an idea when you actually are cutting them to serve them where it is, and gives you that scone look, right?
Oh, how yummy.
There you have that. Now you are going to, this is a little bit of egg wash. And you're going to just brush that on top. And that gives it that golden color that we like to have.
Want that?
And then I have just a little bit of cinnamon and sugar.
I was wondering what else was in there.
And we're going to put that over the top of it. I'll reach over here. Great. And this is going to actually bake, and and
there we go.
You've got it perfect. Bake at a 400 degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll put that on there. Another tip that I might suggest, that I've done it both ways. We put it on this mat here, but you could also do this right on your baking sheet. And then you don't have to move it over from your pastry board. And there you have the finished product there. Apples and apples there, and we're just going to enjoy every bite.
Time of the year, you've got to. All right, Charlene. Well, if people want the recipe for these scones or any other recipe we made in the month of October, where can they do so?
They can go to kansassoybeans.org and also call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN. Megan will answer the phone and say, please send me all the recipes for October.
And you're going to want them because they look absolutely amazing. Well, thanks so much, Charlene.
Thank you.
We're back with more right after this.